my birthday, and due to being alone in these times, and because I also have got some back problem which really upset me, I decided to cheer myself by ordering several dresses at Boohoo.com. And in the UK they are pretty efficient. As you can see here, the dresses, they are in nuances of red more like, and I received them pretty fast. One thing I did not know is that 3 of them are made in China and 1 in India. So I'm not sure that I'm going to place any more orders with Boohoo.com in the future for this reason, and also for several other reasons. Like with this dress you are seeing here is a lace panelled open back midi dress, and I got it in size UK 12. And as you can see there, the button already gave up on me. The color on the website is described as berry. Berry is more like Bordeaux. This color is red. Why I'm saying that? Because the next dress is also described as berry, but actually that dress is Bordeaux. And what I like about this dress is a gorgeous dress, because several years ago I bought a similar dress in nuances of white and black, and it's so beautiful. The dress is in polyester. All the dresses are polyester, so although this lace looks like combination of cotton and polyester, actually is 100% polyester. So the lace is simply gorgeous. Also the lining is polyester and is lined. It has got 4 buttons at the back. As you can see there, one of them gave up already on me. It has got a zipper, and typically Boohoo.com, they have got rubbish zippers on their dresses, so I might have to replace this zipper in the future. Made in China, and has got lots of threads which you saw there, and some which I already cut. It has got a little opening at the back on the lower part, and at the back on the upper part also has got an opening. The similar dress I got in the past had a very large opening at the front, so I decided to put some white lace. So probably also with this dress I'm going to put some red lace at the front. Otherwise, it's a gorgeous dress. I highly recommend it if you like this kind of dresses. And yeah, you saw there on the label is made in China. Is it worth nowadays buying items made in China? Well, this is lots we have to think about in this time and age. The next dress is a boutique lace off-shoulder midi dress, again in size 12, and as you can see there, it says is berry. So indeed is a berry color, not like the previous dress where it said berry, but actually it was red. And this one is Bordeaux. That zipper is very problematic and is a very long zipper. Thankfully, I was able to get into the dress without using the zipper, and I really like this gorgeous lace at the top and the bottom, and also has a very good lining underneath. Size 12, polyester in and out. It's gorgeous, and you might like this dress more than the first one because it's more covered in the breast area, so you don't want to shock the children. Again, has got a little opening at the back on the bottom area. Look there at all those threads. You can see there are so many more threads, and look at the zipper, how difficult it is to bring it down. Can you imagine if you are wearing the dress and try to bring the zipper up on your own? I like being self-sufficient, so not asking anybody for help. So thank God I'm able to get into this dress without using the zipper. Again, made in China. And only the last dress you're going to see is made in India. This dress you are seeing now is called Floral Chiffon off-the-shoulder mini, and I got it in size 14, but it feels more like a size 12, and I got it because I like my floral summer dresses, whereas in winter time I tend to dress like a rocker in nuances of black, furs and so on. In summertime I like being dressed in feminine dresses and so on, floral or white, lacy and so on. I like this dress because it doesn't have any zipper and has got those strings at the front, which means you can tighten the dress on your body. And because it's rather short, I already thought of applying some Indian haberdashery I have in the house, and in the future I'm going to show you how I'm going to work on this project, because I want to apply the same method also on the last dress. I like this dress has got these little sleeves, so if say they're like 30 something degrees Celsius in London, I can wear this dress. And because of the Indian haberdashery I'm going to apply with lots of pompons and other stuff, it's going to appear as a boho chic kind of dress. I might even apply some items at the bottom to make it appear as longer, and the downside is rather transparent, just like the last dress. So clearly I have to think on working on this. As you can see there, made in China, so not keen on that nowadays. And yeah, it's a cute little dress, which I'm going to keep. I'm going to keep all these 4 dresses, and these last dresses are going to be modified further. This brings us to the last dress, which is called Floral Off-Shoulder Ruffle Mini Dress. Again, I got it in size 14. It feels like a size 14, and what I like about it, it has got the bell sleeves and an elasticated waist together with those strings at the top. It's a cute little dress, again transparent. Again, I'm going to put some haberdashery Indian inspired at the top. I'm going to think about applying something at the bottom in order not to make it to leave it as transparent as it is now. And I'm going to show you all this modification in a future project I'm going to work on. So there you have it. I hope you like my cute little dresses and inspired you too to get the same stuff, maybe not on Boohoo, buy from other websites that don't buy their items cheaply from China, making those people billionaires, and our people who import is also billionaires, and in the process not thinking of all these repercussions and people who don't change their way of life in China and affect us to the extent they have affected during this pandemic. All this could have been avoided if some people would have taken action earlier. I hope you're having a great day, you're keeping healthy and safe. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice day. Bye.